So this is the first time I'm using a Bondo wood filler. I've used wood fillers before, but I'm thinking there are some cases in which this Bondo wood filler would probably have been better. In this video, I'll be showing you what not to do and how I fix it. So I ordered this online, but you guys tell me, was this previously opened before I got it? It was kind of sticky and I'm not sure how full it actually is supposed to be. Here I get to use one of my favorite tools, a heart scraper. This guy is one of the first tools I got when I started out furniture flipping. I find myself using it a lot to open up paint cans and to remove hardware. Highly recommended. Okay, so here is how I messed up. I took the tube of hardener and poured about 2 drops, which was fine until I realized the color is not supposed to be yellow as seen here. It's supposed to be blue. It would have came out blue if I would have mixed the contents of the container beforehand. I even went as far as to putting this on my furniture wherever it needed. And I waited and waited, and it did not dry. I removed the sticky paste from my furniture piece and tried again. Yet this posed a new problem. I waited so long the first time, I did not realize how fast this thing would dry. It dried so fast I didn't get the chance to tape it before I slapped it on the furniture piece. If you have additional questions or want a similar video about this topic or wood fillers, let me know in the comments. After drying in the sun, it's ready for sanding. Sanding furniture is not my favorite thing to do, but this wood filler sands so smoothly. All done and ready for paint. If you would like to see more about how this turned out, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.